In this video, I'll show you how to connect Google Analytics to your Hostinger website builder so you can track visitors and understand how people interact with your site. This setup is quick and very useful for improving your website's performance. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to Hostinger's official website. This is where you'll access all the tools needed for the integration. Once the page loads, look for the Login button in the top right corner and click on it. Enter your account details and sign in. After logging in, you'll see your dashboard with several options. Find the Website option and click on it to view your website settings and management tools. To make changes to your site, select Edit Website. This will open the website builder where all design and configuration updates are made. Inside the website builder, look for the three-dot icon that represents more options. Click on it to open additional settings. From the menu, choose Integrations. This section contains tools that can be connected to your website to improve its functionality. From the list of available integrations, select Google Analytics. This tool allows you to track your website's performance and see reports about visitors, traffic sources, and user behavior. These insights help you make better decisions to grow your website. Next, you need to enter your Google Analytics ID. If you don't already have one, go to the Google Analytics website, create an account, and copy your unique tracking ID. Paste this ID into the provided field in the website builder. Make sure it is entered correctly to avoid connection issues. Once the ID is added, your website will begin sending data to your Google Analytics dashboard. You can now monitor traffic, study user behavior, and improve your website based on real data. That's it. You've successfully linked Google Analytics to your Hostinger website builder. Now you can track your website's performance and make smarter decisions for growth. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more easy website tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.